We love wood, and we love what we make out of it. At our sites in Gutersloh, Leutkirch and Neumarkt, we manufacture value-added wood-based panels. This means we produce laminated raw particle board and fibre board, with more than 200 decors and 10 surface textures. Take for instance our deco board. It's used for kitchen and living room furniture, hospitals, hotels, offices and shops, as well as for ship interior fittings. Our special purpose panels even fulfill strict fire protection requirements. Decorative laminates allow for innumerable design options, from natural wood to marble and trendy colours to unusual effects and individual decors. To yield perfect results, we work with utmost care, and it shows. Starting with our decorative papers, every year we process around 9,000 tonnes of them. Our fully automatic paper stores take up to 1,100 rolls of paper, depending on the site's facilities. The storage location of each roll is recorded in our computer system. As a next step, the decorative paper is impregnated. To this end, melamine resin or mixture of melamine resin and urea is applied to the paper. An Analox roll system or coder allows for even surfacing and removes excess impregnating liquid. Dried and cooled down, the impregnated paper is then fed into a crosscutter, where it's cut to size. Impregnated films can be stored for up to 6 months. The film stores, as well as almost all raw board storage facilities, operate fully automatically. We keep stocks of up to 25,000 running meters of panels that are moved by crane or forklift. Every hour, up to 120 running meters of panels leave our crane-served store towards the short-cycle press. A vacuum conveyor unit carries them onto the conveyor belt and places them between 2 decor films. Under heat and pressure, the resin in the film blends with the particle board. In a short-cycle press, this process, performed at 180 degrees Celsius, takes about 30 seconds, depending on the decor and core material used. In a heat exchange press, which we use for our top-quality design products, this process may take up to 15 minutes. The press plates used for this process determine the panel's surface texture. Immediately after pressing, a visual inspection is carried out, in addition to quality controls that are also performed automatically in Gutersloh and Neumarkt. A fully automatic sizing saw cuts the panels to size, using a computer-controlled optimization calculator, which also allows for customized formats. Lengths range from 300 to 5,600 millimeters, widths from 200 to 2,200 millimeters. Finally, our products leave the finished panel storage and are dispatched to our clients, because they also love wood, and they love what Pfleiderer makes out of it.
British Columbia has always been at the leading edge of timber technology, and this new building code change is just another example of how BC can show its leadership in using mass timber in buildings up to 12 stories.
We've created some amazing buildings and structures over the past 50 years, and this will open up an opportunity for even more.
I think with the change, you'll have more creative buildings that'll just start to fill the skyline.
We'll see a more diverse building spectrum and higher quality buildings being created, and they have specific fire regulations. So these 12-story buildings will have passive and active sprinkler protection, as well as the inherent fire protection that the mass timber supplies on its own.
Being ahead of the National Building Code says that we're innovative and that we're able to see the value moving forward.
And with these code changes, you're going to see developers start to convert from concrete, which is a very expensive and slow way to build, to mass timber, which is a very fast and efficient way to build, and you can build more economically. And this is going to ignite the mass timber revolution in BC.
If you like this video, please subscribe, and ring the bell, and give it a thumbs up, or thumbs down, if you could. Please leave a comment, so you won't miss our next video.